Hey guys, Evander here back with another video. Today I'm going to be installing this rear bumper diffuser lip on the Model Y Juniper. It's going to sit right about there. It's going to cover up these ugly hatch area. It's there if you're intending to install some accessories, I don't know, like a bike rack or something. The owner is not intending to use that ever, and he really liked the look of this diffuser lip. So I'm going to install this for him. Should take no time at all. Simply adheres on. This is from EVBase, as always, Red Nave 20. Going to save you 20%. It's actually 22%, but it's easier to just say Red Nave 20. 22% at least from EVBase. Anything off your cart, Model Y Juniper, Cybertruck, Model 3, Model X, Model S, whatever you need from EVBase, Red Nave 20 is going to get you at least 22% off. So be sure to check them out in the description below. This bumper diffuser lip is made of ABS. It comes in this matte black. There's also glossy black, glossy carbon fiber, or matte carbon fiber. So owner wanted to go with matte black. It's going to match the rest of the trim around it, and it's just going to adhere on. So we got to do our typical 70% isopropyl. Peel that off, stick it on, give it a good push. Easy as that. Let's get on to the install. Alrighty, first thing I suggest you do is actually, before you peel that off and before you do anything, familiarize yourself with the product. Kind of just understand where it's going to be. Don't put it upside down or inside out. It's just going to sit in there like that. It kind of is almost foolproof the way it's contoured perfectly to this area. But just familiarize yourself with it. Figure out how you're going to push it into place. I'm probably going to start something like that. Let's see. Maybe go off the center of the license plate here. That feels better. So get used to it, because once we stick this on, you really don't want to do this twice. That would interfere with the adhesion. So I'm going to get our 70% isopropyl alcohol, and it's basically everywhere. So clean that little teardrop area over here, teardrop over there. Want all the grease, grime, stuff we can't see, fingerprints, all that out of there. Owner's done a good job keeping this thing nice and clean looking. Actually, it's really clean. I need to clean my Cybertruck. But yeah, give that a good scrub. Don't use anything over 70%. Could melt your plastic. 70 is perfect. And it flashes off pretty quick, so we don't have to wait too long. And there we go. Now it's ready. All right, I've started peeling this off. Comes off pretty easy. Sometimes these adhesive strips fight you, but these ones are very cooperative. So here we go. I'm going to line up that middle with the center area of the license plate. And I'm going to kind of push it up into place, kind of testing things out. Making sure, there we go. You can kind of feel when it's like perfectly aligned where it needs to sit. And then, yeah, there we go. So now, I'm just gonna push on it for a good few minutes, I'd say. Nice pressure, especially on these little wings on the ends, because we don't want this to come off ever, unless you're trying to take it off. This is removable, it's not permanent by any means. If you did need to remove this for some reason, say you want to use, I don't know, that bike rack that would connect in here, sure, I would recommend using like a hairdryer. Don't go too hot, like a heat gun. You could melt the plastic, or just on a hot day, and then like slowly start to peel from one end. The adhesive will give eventually. It's not like a industrial adhesive or anything, but definitely strong enough when there's no external force applied to it. And I feel like that's it. I love a good easy install. Oh, it honestly doesn't get any easier than that. So I think that looks fantastic. It's just the little things, these 3 little lines, but I think they add Kind of a nice, we're going for that sporty look again. Sporty look helps him distinguish his Model Y Juniper from all the other red ones out there, since everybody looks the same. And then when you want to stand out just a little bit, you don't want to be too flashy, I think this is a great alternative for you. But yeah, I'll get you some final move around footage and easy install. I think it's a subtle change, but a welcome one. Very nice. Cool. That had to be one of, if not the easiest install I have done ever on my channel. That just took no time at all. Less than 5 minutes, tops. And that's recording. So absolutely love the look of this thing. Gives it a cool sporty look. Very subtle, but it makes a difference. I can definitely tell. Very nice. Cheap, affordable, and when you save 22% with Redmi 20, it's even cheaper. So again, if you're interested, link in the description below. You know the drill. Like, subscribe, follow, share, all that good stuff. And of course, more Model Y Juniper and Cybertruck content always on the way. So I'll see you soon in the next video. Peace out.